To Delhi. Now, there is a trouble area in Delhi in the name of Jahangirpuri, which is exactly like what Dharavi is to Mumbai, with a huge number of spike in cases in this area, which is supposed to be a containment zone, but the containment measures are not being strictly adhered to. As COVID cases surge, one of the most critical areas in Delhi is Jahangirpuri, and this area is crucial, just like Dharavi is for Mumbai. But as Mirror Now went on ground to take stock of the situation, we found that the barricades that were placed there for perimeter control have been removed, and residents were moving freely in and out of this containment zone, something which is not allowed once you are in a containment zone area. Let's listen in to Ayushman's report.
Jahangirpuri area is one such place in the North Delhi which remains a concern for the national capital, because more than 30 containment zones are there in this area. And this has been there for over 1.5 months, that Jahangirpuri has been the main contributor. Because of the by-lanes that is present in this and people living in these congested colonies, it becomes a real challenge for officials to control. Now, what is happening in these containment zones? I am right now standing outside one containment zone, which is from house number 501 to 530. This has been marked in the Delhi government's document, and this is the situation that you see right now here. You can clearly see anybody and everybody is allowed to go inside and come outside. Currently, 3 continuous by-lanes are there. If you see there on this side, there is another lane where people have removed that gate and everybody is going inside and coming outside. And on the other side also, same thing is happening. If you see the situation, as per the Health Ministry guideline, containment strategy says that in the containment zones, nobody can be allowed apart from the essential services to go inside. But that is something which is not being followed here. In fact, I am being joined by one of the civil defense official who has been given the permission to oversee the situation here. We'll talk to him to know what is happening. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? आप लोगों को ये कहा गया है कोई अंदर नहीं जा सकता, क्या होता है? हम तो देख रहे हैं सभी लोग जाते आते आ रहे हैं।
सर, ये एरिया सील करा हुआ है, चारों गलियाँ सील हैं, पर सर सीलिंग तोड़ दी है लोग बागों ने। सर, कोई जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना मास्क वगैरह पहनो, तो सर वो हमें ही पागल समझते हैं। बट सर, यहाँ के जो लोग बाग हैं ना, कुछ समझ नहीं रहे कोरोना को, कोई डर नहीं है इनके अंदर बिल्कुल भी सर।
अच्छा, और यहाँ पर आपको ये इंस्ट्रक्शन जब डिप्यूट किया गया, ये इंस्ट्रक्शन है आपको कि किसी को अंदर जाने की अनुमति नहीं है, किसी को बाहर आने की अनुमति नहीं है?
जी सर, है सब पिछली वाली गली से आना जाना, पर यहाँ से नहीं है सर। हाँ। ये गलियाँ सील हैं, पर लोग बागों ने सील ही तोड़ दिया, आना जाना इनका खूब हो रहा है सर।
अच्छा
जी।
और क्या पुलिस के अधिकारी जो लोग हैं वो कोई आते हैं? हम देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे मूवमेंट बिल्कुल नॉर्मल तरीके से अलाउड है।
सर, अभी वो आए नहीं है ड्यूटी पे, या तो शायद अभी कोई भी नहीं दिख रहा है। वैसे आते हैं, 1-2 चक्कर लगाते हैं वो भी।
हाँ।
बस सर।
Okay. So here is the situation. Well, you see on the other side, you will get to know that what is actually happening in the containment zones of national capital. This is Jahangirpuri, one of the most congested areas. In the by-lanes are the containment zones, and you can see what is happening. People are not wearing masks, they are gathering. The clear violation is happening. People are going inside at a time when we know that the cases are rising and entry into containment zone is not permitted.